In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export deals from Hubspot. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can quickly get your deal data out of Hubspot and into a spreadsheet for reporting, analysis, or sharing with your team. By the end, you'll know exactly which options to choose and what each of them means. First, make sure you're logged into your Hubspot account and you're in the main dashboard. At the top, look for the main navigation menu and hover over or click on CRM. From that CRM menu, select Deals. This will take you to the Deals area where you can see all of your open, closed, and in-progress deals. Once you're on the Deals screen, you want to make sure you're in the table view. This is the layout that looks like a spreadsheet with rows and columns. If you're not already in that view, look toward the top left for the view icon and switch it to table view. This is important because the export will be based on what's visible in this table. After you're in table view, move your attention to the top right of the Deals table. There, you'll see an option called Table Actions. Click on Table Actions, and from the drop-down that appears, select Export View. This tells Hubspot that you want to export exactly what you're looking at, rather than something else from the CRM. Next, a window will pop up asking you to choose a file format. You'll usually see options like CSV, XLS, or XLSX. CSV files work well if you plan to use tools like spreadsheets, data loaders, or upload the data into another system. XLS or XLSX are great choices if you're working primarily in Excel or similar spreadsheet software and want to keep formatting consistent. Select the format that best fits how you plan to use the data. Below the file format, you'll see an important choice. You can either include only properties in view or include all properties. If you pick Include Only Properties in View, Hubspot will export just the columns you're currently seeing in the table. This is useful if you've already customized the table and only want those specific fields. If you choose Include All Properties, Hubspot will export every available deal property, which can be helpful for deeper reporting, but may result in a larger, more complex file. Once you've chosen your file format and decided which properties to include, go ahead and click Export. Hubspot will prepare your file, and depending on your settings, it may either download directly to your computer or be sent to you via email for download. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your deals from Hubspot.